up for Karan Johar, guys. Give it up for Karan Johar. Like many in the industry have. Raghu Ram is here. When Raghu met Karan backstage, Karan was like, "Nahi, touch up nahi chahiye, please fuck off." Raghu, you also did a season of roadies in the United States. Congratulations, man. Congratulations on being the biggest bunch of assholes to enter the United States since 9/11. Rohan Joshi is here, Rohan Joshi. The only reason Rohan Joshi is a part of AIB is because he's cute. Seriously, Rohan, how does it feel to be the Rahul Gandhi of AIB? It's nice. It's sweet. Tanmay Bhatt is here. Really sensitive man, Tanmay Bhatt. When Tanmay Bhatt is lonely, he doesn't go on Tinder. He goes on Zomato. Rajiv Masand is here. Rajiv Masand. Seriously, Masand, though, stop calling yourself a journalist. Every time you call yourself a journalist, ISIS beheads a real one. Alia in the front row has no idea what the fuck ISIS is. No idea. Not a fuck. Alia, just to clarify, on your products in the kitchen, that is the ISI mark, that is different. ISIS is a terrorist organization. Abish Mathew is here, Abish Mathew. Abish Mathew is so Catholic, once he's done masturbating, it takes 3 days for his dick to resurrect. Aditi Mittal is here, Aditi Mittal, an actress. Aditi Mittal is the only actress where if you Google Aditi Mittal hot pics, Google is like, "Bhai, tu aaj bina hilaye so ja, please, please. Relax. Please. Please, yaar, please. Sharam kar. Advanced setting mein kuch, at least incognito mode to chala le, yaar. Please, like. Ashish Shakya is here, Ashish Shakya. Ashish Shakya is so black, his girlfriend gives him a blowjob every time she craves kala khatta. Ashish spends a lot of time at Juhu Beach. But seriously, Karan, director, producer, writer, actor, you're like 4 guys in one. Exactly how you like it. But seriously, you know, Karan Johar is now best friends with Anurag Kashyap, so he can get some like indie cred. It's the first time in Bollywood someone has slept their way to the bottom. It's... And now for the men of the hour. The men of the hour, Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor. Ranveer Singh and Arjun Kapoor. You know, Arjun Kapoor failed the 12th standard and then lost. But seriously, I wanna... अगर कुछ नया लिख के लाया होता तो बॉलीवुड में नहीं होता यार अर्जुन. But seriously, Arjun has failed 12th standard and after that he lost a lot of weight. He's Smriti Irani in reverse. Alia Smriti Irani is a MP, okay? You know, honestly, we wanted to get Ranveer Kapoor for the show, but we could only manage Ranveer. Which is also what Deepika did, so I guess it's fine, I guess. It's okay. It's okay. But I want to say this, thank you very much Arjun and Ranveer. This wouldn't have been possible without you. And your PR team's dedication to making you two look cool. Thank you very much, thank you very much.